Welcome back to Small Lathe. So basically we're doing a small restoration project. This has been bought in Madrid in a flea market. So I'm going to restore this. from my point of view, the handle is nearly complete. This is really lousy, but I don't have a bandsaw, so with hacksaw there is a limitation to the stuff you could do that goes really true. But before I fully assemble it and take care of it, I want to do something about this scratch. There's a tiny scratch here. I don't care about it. It's not mine. Didn't do that. But there is one over here, which is mine. So I thought of a useful use for that scratch, sort of. If you can't beat them, join them. And if you get just lemons, make some lemonade sort of approach. All there is to it. I'm going to get some magnification glasses and mark it. That's good enough from my point of view. Now let's assemble it. First things first, this goes that way. I wanted it tighter, but what? Thought it snapped. Really did. Okay, right, nice and tight. Time to put the wedge in. I'm going to insert it and get it as deep as I can. Let's get to it. This is a hammer my dad gave to me, and it's been in my possession for quite a few years now. I really like it. It's a nice heirloom. It's a bit worn, but you know, there is an added value to these things that's not just plain mathematical. Right, so I'll just get it in there off camera. Sorry. Off camera I trimmed the edges. It is stuck for good. I do believe if somebody would want to take it off, it would be best to remove the handle first. But it's really, really solid. Right, so let's get things here a bit cleared off and put some beeswax on it. And you're saying, oh God, it's going to be a slippery hammer. Well, first of all, it's conical, so the base is thicker than the front. It's hard to lose such a hammer. Second of all, I'm not putting a huge amount of wax. I just want to wax it nicely, get it nice, looking nice. I want it nice and protected from the elements. And that's it, basically speaking. I'm not using a whole lot of wax. And the wood will absorb it over time. I'll even wax the top here just to give it a nice sheen. Well, that's it. There we go. An old handle, a new handle. That's it. We're done. This has turned out to be a nice handle. I'm pleased with it. Does look nice. Has been signed, and we have waxed it nicely. And that's all there is to it. I actually do have a good grip on that, both because it's conical and because it didn't overdo the wax. But trust me, the wood will absorb most of that wax, and I'll probably have to wax it even further later on. So that's all there is to it. Old versus new. We got a new blacksmithing hammer in the shop to a collection of hammers I already have. Used to have just this one for many, many years. So I now have one of my own hammers, and it's being, well, while I can't put it to use now, I will put it to use in the future. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.